Hey, what up? What's up, guys? CEO Quincy here back with another quick video. And I'm going to be going over how to copy and paste ads onto the classified ad site, high traffic classified ad site. And we're going to be using this site here. Up, we got a pop up. Classifies for free, guys. As you can see, um, it's a pretty simple site to use. You can post ads in different cities. You can post up to 20, 30 ads, guys, in a day, and you can renew your ads every day. Okay, so I'm going to go to the ads, my ads that I already posted earlier in the week. All right, earlier in the week, I posted um, actually Monday. Today is Sunday now, so we're on the seventh day, and I suggest you post them 7 days straight. You're gonna do this every week. Takes you when you first start, take you about 30 minutes to post you probably about 20 ads. Okay, about 30 minutes. As you can see, the guys don't copy the titles on the ads. Okay, don't copy the title word for word. Okay, if you're going to if you purchase the interactive training program, okay, the Legacy Builder, the passive daily blueprint, digital mastery, or launchpad, they have they give you 200 ads, guys, 200 ads um, that you can use. Okay, and we give you the websites to paste them on. So it's literally copy and paste. Anyone can do this. Okay, so I have a total of 21 ads, guys. With a click of a button, I go right here, click renew ads, boom. These ads, 21 ads were renewed successfully. 5:26, 4:28 p.m. guys. Okay, that's 4:28 Pacific time. Boom. I'm done. I'm done with this. That's the beautiful thing about classified ads for free. Once you copy and paste your ads, those ads are going to be up until they're going to stay up. Okay, for 30 days. I believe I have these set. I believe to stay up for 30 days, but I can renew them before the 30 days. That's what I love about classified ads for free. So I wanted to show you guys. Boom. I wanted to show you, and let me also show you the. Let me also show you. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me get rid of that. Let me get rid of this. Okay. As you see the views, the traffic we get it. The traffic I'm getting 10 hits, 8, 1, 1, 1, 2, 10, 2, 1, 1, 8, 2, 2, 11 views, 1, 4 views. And look at this, guys, 86 views. This ad here is getting 86 views. Crazy, right? And I have these in different I posted in 2 states, Texas and California, but in multiple cities. All right, guys. So let me show you what you get when you purchase the interactive training program. All right, whether it's the Legacy Build, it doesn't matter. If you just even purchase a Launchpad, you're going to still get access to the copy and paste method, and you're going to learn how to use your social media guys to generate organic traffic to your website. And so I'm going to show you. This is the capture page, guys. You get the beautiful capture page right here. This is already pre-built. You get a sales funnel. Where else can you purchase an interactive e-learning course? And then it comes with a sales funnel, already written email campaign, and it's fully automated. Okay, fully automated. You get a capture page here, and let me show you. I'm going to show you the landing page right here. Once you go inside, once you put your email address into capture page, it's going to take you to this page here. You get a beautiful layout. Guys, if you was to pay for this website, if you had this built on your own, it would cost you about $10,000 to build. You get this for free, already pre-built. See, nice layout, nice graphics. Scroll down. All right, scroll down here. Okay, you have your story right here. This is my story here. You can put your story right here. That's the only thing you're going to change. Put your story, your pictures right here. And you're going to scroll down, say a step-by-step program to learn how to make $900 passive daily pay by following a 2-hour workday. Okay. And as you can see, it includes video trainings and live interactive mentoring Zooms, guys. It's an interactive training program. It's not just your average course. And we give you proven marketing techniques to start marketing online for free, so you never have to pay for advertising. And once someone purchases from you, you will earn 100% profit, either 100, 300, 600, or $900. And that's daily. Okay, daily, guys. All right, so here goes some testimonials here. Melissa, $600 sale from my live from someone that has never seen me before. Dean, 300 today. Almost 2 weeks in the business, still learning. I already made 1,059. Allison, Holy Free Guacamole, 17,800 is what I made since the week before Christmas. I'm literally standing in my office doing a crazy happy dance. This is so freaking wild of me. So guys, this system works. It's working for average people. Okay, it's working for average people. So you get access to a proven blueprint that's creating results like these, like that, and automations work. Yes, they do, and this is probably the highest converting funnel I've ever seen, and I've been a part of several programs, MLMs, network marketing companies. None of them can hold a flame to this program here. So guys, you can learn. You're actually literally going to be equipped with the skills to learn how to attract your perfect customer. Customers will haunt you. They're going to want what you have. You can implement it with this business because it comes with resale rights. So you're purchasing the master resale rights to sell all four if you go with the Legacy Builders program. That's the #1 selling program. What's included? All right. That's your launch pad, launch to profit. So literally you get all four with the Legacy Builder, and it's going to come with these free bonuses too. Digital Growth Community, you get access to a community and interactive training, guys. You can interact with other community members. Free Canva crash course, show you how to use Canva for your images and stuff like that for social media. It's free. You don't pay for that. This is her $1 million blueprint. Michelle's 1 million in 17 months blueprint literally shows you what she did. So you watch it over her shoulder, what she did step by step, and you can implement it in your business too. And they come with a 30-day market strategy growth plan, how to start an online business with master resale rights, which is also known as MRR. And you also get, this is what a lot of people love, 200 digital product ideas. So you'll be able to create your own products and brand by using these bonus here. And it's in the Legacy Builder. And if you don't want to be on video, it has a Invisible Empire faceless marketing, show you how to market your business without using your face, guys. So this is it. This is the Legacy Builder, and it is $900, guys. And if you don't want to come all in and you don't quite have that, you can also come right here. There's a payment plan right here. Okay, you have a payment plan. There's a payment only available in USA. All right, so you pick which one that fits you best. You have the Digital Mastery, Passive Daily Blueprint. There go the price right there. It's only one time, no monthly fees, and you are done. Pay for your website fee is $29. The only other thing that you pay one time, no hosting fees. So guys, this system is it's amazing, and it will show you step by step on how to launch your business and go on profit in 7 days. And you don't have to talk to anyone, no phone calls, no recruiting, and no pestering family and friends, guys. It's just going to be you, your automated system, and you utilizing your time wisely and just implementing a 2-hour workday. So you're going to be able to complete all your tasks in 2 hours. Then you got the rest of the day to enjoy for yourself, right? So you can, I mean, you're literally going to have fun with this business, guys. Then they got a TikTok training, guys, show you how to get all the customers you can handle using a free TikTok method. So guys, you want to go ahead and jump in this thing, take advantage of it. Life is too short to work 40 hours a week, trading your time for dollars, okay? There's always an income cap at a job. So take advantage. The link is going to be in the description, okay? The link is going to be in the description, guys. So you literally, you can see as simple as copy and pasting, and then you're going to use your social media platforms. So guys, I'm going to end this video here, and I will see y'all on the next video. Make sure you like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. See y'all guys on the inside.